a cup of coffee. Anyway, have you ever wondered how you can like, tr- you know, do that Aikido stuff and master the art of trading and become like financially free? Million percent. You know, I'm talking about you being free, getting your cars, a lot of phones, and do whatever you want, travel wherever you want, just be free. Not selling the dream, be free. Like breaking free from the matrix and being free forever. I mean, sometimes you get this idea like you want to get rich, right? So, I just want to like highlight and talk about the book a little bit because if you're passionate about it and if you're still watching, I don't know if you're watching the video, I'm very like very sure of it so that you're actually interested and passionate about trading and this industry about making money and breaking free from the matrix. So let me actually break free and give you like a sneak peek. So you're gonna like egg wrap and trying to level up. I mean, let me give you an insight of the book. This is Google Docs. And this is like I didn't want to share some other things that I'm working for, so basically I move it to this to my email, Parabolic, and I'm gonna like this is the audiobook, by the way. This is the audiobook version. I'm actually making an audiobook right now, so if you can see it right here, it's the project of a view. I guess it's still in the metadata, so yep. So that's the audiobook. I'm still working for it. So, anyway, let's get back to the main subject. I'm gonna only like put the let me show you. So this is like break the losing cycle. I mean, the book is actually about like almost like about the losing cycle. So if you lose streak, it's gonna be your game changer, man. It's gonna be your fucking game changer. Trust me. I mean, it's gonna like change your game completely. Trust me. If it's not, you can blame me. I take full responsibilities. It's on my right. I'm happy. I'm glad. Anyway, so hold on. I don't know why so much ads. Anyway, I'm gonna just like put it on the table content so you're gonna see. So this is gonna be like the introduction. What you're gonna learn. What you learn. Basically, we're gonna have like more of 20 chapters. But in the main, this is the audiobook. In the main book, in the main like the ebook, you're gonna have like 24 chapters because if we came right here to the main book, you're gonna see something different. Hold on a second. The difference in this book, you have short examples and stuffs like trades. I highlighted trades. I've been explaining why you entered right here, how's the market been going, the market notes and outlooks and stuffs. So it's gonna be like a different experience for you traders. And like the first chapter is gonna be like what is price action, then moving to the essential trading rules, gray spin, why the trend matters, so why we should trade the trends, why, and then spotting the trend lines and the trading branches, how to trade them, how to spot them, and then I'm gonna give you the oil, the second setup strategy, the second entry strategy, and then we're gonna move to our our entry strategy, where to enter, how, and how to combine it. Then we go like how to set up your trading chart, how to put your trading chart all together, and then combining everything and a warp up. This is gonna be the first warp up. We're not done yet. So we're gonna have a chapter overview, like from the beginning to the end, like complete combining, complete warp up. And then we're gonna move to the envelope. First of all, we're gonna move to the GAN 9 squares of 9. This is one of the best strategies that I ever done when I just started. I mean, it gives you easy, quick scalp that like boom, boom, boom. You take a lot of fucking money without doing any single thing. This is gonna be, and the chapter 11 gonna start. Man, trust me, you're gonna fucking start to break free from losers. This is why I have like 92% of win rate. So anyway, and then we're gonna talk about the pullback scalping, the real second entry strategies. Then a final thoughts, and then we're gonna be like finding targets. We're gonna spot them, talk about the targets exactly, how to spot the targets, and talk about the real entries, where to find them, how to spot them, how to avoid traps. And this is gonna be end of losing streak. You're gonna be like familiar with traps, how to write the traps, and also like in the chapter 6, as you can see right here exactly, we have like recognizing and trading the market traps. But here in finding targets, you're gonna be familiar how to trade failed second entries. Okay. Then we're gonna have the warp up 2, again another combiner of everything that happens after the overview, and then we're gonna talk about some reversal patterns, okay? And then I'm gonna recommend some brokers, prop firms, and stuffs with good commissions, good stuffs, good prop firms, legitimate. Disclaimer: I take nothing. I'm not gonna mention anything right now in the video. I take nothing. I'm not an affiliate. I do nothing. I take no money from those. Okay, I just help how to find and spot good things for live accounts as the one I work with. It gives me like a $4 commission per trade, a good margin per day, like a $500 margin daily, and it's so good for the features because I'm a feature trader. Okay, so and we go to the chapter 19 final talks. Okay, we're gonna have like some final words and stuff. In the main book, in the main version, we're gonna have. Hold on, let me stop the music. It's actually done. And okay, in the chapter 20 we're gonna have live examples. We're gonna have live examples as I've showed you before and showed you earlier. So, and then we're gonna have like chapter 20 about author. It's gonna be like about me, how did I get here, my experience, my 2 failed companies, my marketing companies, because I was I'm an ex sales prof. I was a good salesman, one of the best salesmen that you'll ever meet. That's I guess how I can close and convince anyone to do anything I want. It's actually kind of manipulation, but I've been learning this skill for 3 years since I was in Libya. Gonna inform you with some, gonna make you like a little insider, gonna make you feel like I'm one of your family. So just like trying to make you familiar with who am I. It's gonna be like a good chance to show a little bit inside of my life, because this is so much of my life, as you can see in my. Let me show you. I guess you deserve a look. So this is gonna be like a little bit inside. I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to read this. Actually, my friend, the guy who's helping writing the book, is the one who wrote this about me, because he knows me so well. He's the only one who knows everything about me, and yeah. So I'm gonna only share this small part. It's like actually a wall page, but I'm trying to only share this one. So this is my full name, Khalil Barho, and I'm a Moroccan trader. I'm not gonna look at this. I hate everything about myself. So yeah. I'm an entrepreneur. I started my journey as a copywriter, and I was working with some big names like Nickelodeon for Embassy Reap, Libyan Pepsi, Moroccan Fanta. There's a Moroccan company called Lusure. It's a Moroccan oil company, and I also worked with some nutritionists and bodybuilding field companies. I wrote emails for them and some persuasive emails like Gorilla Wheel, Life Fitness. I've been sponsored by Life Fitness too, because I was a classic bodybuilder. And I was kind of champion. I was for a period of time. So for Natty, I never take steroids. So anyway, yeah. Then I moved from copywriting to sales, and I opened my first marketing company, and I failed. My company got crushed in Libya and got exploded in the war with my 2 cars. Fuck's sake. So, and I moved to Dubai, and I actually opened the company again and started working. I got like 2 other companies. It called the Silver Line marketing companies, and I do a lot of other things, and it's like actually gonna be seen in the book and gonna be like available in the book, and that's it, I guess. Yeah, I'm kind of like smiling because yeah, I've been sleeping in the streets for too many times. I've been homeless. I didn't come from wealth or privilege. I've been homeless. A lot of people knows this. A lot of people knows that I was drugs addicted, and yeah, I'm proud of myself. For the first time in my life, I'm proud of myself. That's so cool. Well, never mind my face. I guess I'm breaking up with my girl, and yeah. Anyway, never mind. I didn't sleep. I just got back from 101 kilometers, and I've been running the whole night. I'm getting ready also for I'm actually trying to be like an ultra marathon runner, an ultra runner, and also I want to be an Ironman. So I'm kind of working myself up. I'm actually counted as an ultra runner since I run above 70 kilos, and it's easy. And I'm planning to go for bad water. Anyway, that's not the subject. I'm like, boom, moving to the other side. So that was everything about the book. That was everything for today's video. I'm gonna be posting it right now, and yeah, I wish you guys good luck, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can drop a like. If you wanna like follow up this YouTube channel, you can actually hit a subscribe button. If not, even drop a dislike. I don't mind. I don't really mind. I don't mind anything. I'm chill. So yeah, gonna be posting the video so I can go back and train. I trained 6 times today in this like within this 24 hours. You can see my face actually if I just like not smiling. Live. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.